Alright, so you've probably seen the Mavic 4 Pro leaks popping up all over the place lately, right? Boxes showing up, prices creeping higher. Yeah, DJI's not exactly keeping it under wraps anymore. And with May 13th rumored as the big reveal day, we're definitely gonna see even more stuff trickling out. Let's start with the latest scoop from Jasper Ellens. He posted it over on DroneXL, and it's all about the electronic ND filters. There was talk they might get scrapped or delayed, and honestly, we were bracing for disappointment. But now, it's looking like they are coming. Just not right away. Probably coming later in May due to some technical hiccups. Still, they're coming, and that's a win. These END filters were originally meant to be part of the creator combo, but if you're not getting the full kit, no worries, they'll also work with the regular Mavic 4 Pro. Price? Around $220. Not exactly pocket change, but if you're serious about clean, controlled footage in different lighting, they're gonna be super handy. Now here's a fun little twist. Literally, the Mavic 4 Pro doesn't have a power button. Instead, you just flip out the right front arm to turn it on. That's it. No more hunting for the tiny button or awkwardly pressing it twice and hoping it works. DJI's going full flip to fly mode now. Alright, now let's talk RC Pro 2. I've mentioned it before, but I totally missed a cool detail. The screen flips vertically. Yeah, it's a 7-inch flip-up display that can actually go portrait mode. So now not only can your drone shoot vertical video, but your controller joins the party too. TikTok, Reels, Shorts, whatever you're filming for, DJI's got your back. And speaking of new gear being tested, Igor Bogdanov shared a quick video showing what looks like the Mavic 4 Pro going through final testing. Oh, and he also shared a clean shot of the drone with its carry case. Looks like part of the creator combo again, and yep, that's the RC Pro 2 and 3 intelligent batteries packed in. There's also another drone lurking in that video. Looks like something from the Mini 5 series. We still don't know if it's going to be the Mini 5 or Mini 5 Pro, but seeing it out in the wild like that definitely means it's not far behind. So yeah, DJI's got a pretty packed lineup coming. The Mavic 4 Pro is looking sharp, accessories are stacking up, and the Mini 5 is already peeking out from behind the curtain. DJI's clearly going all in this year. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.